This plastic polymer resin is being melted by a new piece of technology made by Strangpresse LLC in Youngstown. Once melted, the material will be discharged layer by layer in order to build a product from the ground up.
If you think of the 3D printer, you've got the printer head, which this is actually that in a large scale.
Strangpresse CEO Chuck George partnered with 2 other companies to make the extruder, which allows manufacturers to print large-scale products such as cars, satellites, and even airplanes.
This piece of equipment is actually going out to Fort Collins, Colorado to be integrated onto a robotic arm. That'll be the next part of the process to actually do the 3D printing.
Strangpresse LLC emerged from another business George started last year called TripTech 3D. TripTech produces coils of plastic line used to supply smaller scale 3D printers.
What we've been exposed to so far are 3D printers. They put layers down about 3,000 thick and build it up. This is going to put a layer down of about 1/4 of an inch in diameter. So it's going to build very rapidly, and it can build basically any geometry that you throw at it.
Michael Durina is a partner in the project. His company, MD Plastics, holds a patent on the extruder's heating screw and its shutoff mechanism, 2 vital components of the technology.
Inside this cylinder that's heated, we have a plasticating screw that conveys and melts the plastic down. And down on the bottom here, we have an apparatus that is a shutoff mechanism, so that when the extruder slows down or stops, plastic will not drool out.
Plastic pellets are poured into a feed housing on the top of the extruder. They're then fed down through the cylinder.
The servo is tied into the screw speed, and you can add geometry. An automobile, for example. It turns it into an NC code, and then it tells this servo how fast you want to go based on the speed of travel and the bead that you're trying to lay down. You stick this on a robot, on the end of a robot, depending on the axis and the articulation that the robot's capable of. It can print whatever you tell it to do.
Congressman Bill Johnson, on hand to view the new equipment, left impressed by the project's potential.
3D printing has been around for a while, but taking it to the level that they're taking it to for large-scale industrial and scientific and technological applications, that's a really, really big deal, and it's happening right here in the Mahoning Valley.
You can read more in Dan O'Brien's story on our website. For the Daily Buzz, I'm Maggie Young.